In this video, we're going to be talking about Multivac. We're going to be analyzing the price of Multivac to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Multivac, please do your own research as a non-financial advisor. So as you can see here, Multivac is currently down 3.97% at the time of recording. Pretty much we're pretty much looking bearish on the daily. We've not had any bullish momentum coming through. I feel like this is mainly due to Bitcoin also being bearish, as Bitcoin does have a huge effect on altcoins. So pretty much nothing major apart from lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Not looking too great. If you check on the weekly to see how Multivac has been playing out, you can see on the weekly Multivac has been very, very bearish. We've not even had any major bullish momentum coming through, even though we did almost have an accumulation schematic play out roughly around this region. But it looks like price failed to have the initial leg towards upside, and we pretty much came back down and pretty much started trading within this range of between 0.0059 and 0.0056 essentially. 0.06. So yeah, it's not looking too good for Multivac, but it's just a long process if I'm being honest. You can see here on the monthly as well, we've been at 0.011, and that was a monthly high, and then we've reached the monthly low of 0.0057, which is a huge numbers that Multivac has dropped. So if you go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis upon Multivac, you can see here that we've had a few accumulation schematics play out, but none of them have actually pretty much caused any major momentum come through into the market. From this one, we did have an initial break of structure, but therefore the distribution schematic that did play out was more stronger, and the supply zone up in the region was a lot more stronger as well, and which therefore pretty much brought price down. And then from here, we could have had an accumulation schematic play out, but price didn't respect any of the demand zones, and we just pretty much continued lower and lower, which isn't looking too good. But over here, you could possibly say that we're still accumulating within this region. We could possibly see another leg towards upside. You never know, but I feel like this very strong demand zone is going to be liquidated pretty much and not respected at all. Even if we check in the daily, you can see here that price isn't pretty much. Feel like, yeah, we pretty much did liquidate this area, and if price does drop even further, we could possibly be seeing 0.0054 being reached, but hopefully not. Hopefully price can have a little reversal possibly, but as of right now, it does look very bearish. We've not had any bullish momentum come through into the market for Multivac. If you go over to Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin is doing, Bitcoin, if you drop into the 1 hour, you can see Bitcoin is pretty much bearish like on the lower time frames, but overall I feel like Bitcoin is still bullish. We're just gonna have to wait and see, and until Bitcoin takes out all of this liquidity based upon this train line liquidity. Once we do that, I feel like then we could have another leg towards upside, possibly even reaching the highs of around 45k. So if we go back to Multivac to go back and analyze Multivac on the hourly, and on the hourly you can see that there's not been any crazy amounts of price action occurring, apart from we're starting to make a little accumulation schematic here, but I feel like it won't be validated unless we have a major break of structure towards upside. But this is more of a waiting game when it comes to Multivac. It's got an amazing team, got the best technology, I feel like, and it's just a shame that the prices dropped so low. Even if we check them weekly, let me just take out all of this. Yeah, so even on the weekly, you can see over here in the past few weeks that price has pretty much been dropping. It's not looking good, man. We've pretty much been trading within this area 0.0124 and essentially 0.0056, but it looks like price is finally starting to break out, and it looks like we're going to break out towards the downside, which isn't ideal, but it is what it is, you know. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs.